Welcome. In this session, we will continue with Python list and we will see how to subset and manipulate a list. So let's begin with creating a list. So we create a list, say employees. We store the names of the employees and their salaries. Now, let us see the content of the employees variable. And we see that we have the contents in the employees variable as Roger 12,000, Lena 9,500, Danish 9800, and Meena 13500. What you have to note here is that the index starts from 0, which means the Roger is at index 0 and 12,000 is at index 1, Lena stands at index 3, 9500 stands at index 4, and so on. Which means if we have to retrieve Roger from the list, what we have to do is we'll have to refer to the variable with a square bracket followed by the index. And so if we say 0 and hit Control Enter, we get to see Roger. Similarly, if we say employees and I say 1, which means I will get 12,000 as the value. While we have the index starting from 0 when it is starting from the left hand side, if we refer these values from the right hand side, the index starts from -1. If we say employees and say -1, which means -1 will refer to the rightmost element in the list, which is 13,500 in this case. So when we hit Control Enter, we get 13,500 as the answer. Now we know that 13,500 is the rightmost element and the index is referred to as -1 if we are referring it from the right hand side. Which means Meena is at -2, 9,800 is at -3, Danish at -4, 9500 at -5, Lena at -6, 12,000 at -7, and Roger is at -8, which means if we say employees followed by -8, we will get Roger. So in other words, we typing employees with a 0 index, we get Roger. We typing employees once again with -8, we get Roger. So while you refer to these elements in a list from left hand side, the index starts at 0. Whereas if you refer to these elements in a list from the right hand side, the index starts at -1. We will now see how to slice a list. To slice a list, in order to slice a list, we need to provide two indexes, the start and the end. So we say employees, say 1:4. Remember, from the left hand side, the index starts at 0. Now when you say employees 1:4, the element at index 1 will be considered as the starting point, that is 12,000, and it will take all the elements till index 3. which means if I say employees 1 colon 4, we get 12,000 Lena and 9500. Remember, the index position starts at 0. So Roger is at 0, 12,000 is at 1, Lena is at 2, and 9500 is at 3. So when we say employees 1 colon 4, it takes the element from index 1 and it goes till index 3. Similarly, if I say employees and I say start from 3 colon, if I say 6, which means it will start from 9500 because 9500 is at index 3, and it will go till index 5, which means we will get 9500 till 9800. In case we want all the elements from the beginning till a particular index position, we say employees and we just leave a blank followed by a colon and provide the end index. If the end index is 6, which means it will start from the index 0, it will go till index 5 and returning all the values. So it starts at 0 Roger, the index position of 12,000 is 1, index position of Lena is 2, index position of 9500 is 3, Danish is 4, and 9800 is 5, which means we will get the elements starting from the beginning, that is Roger, and we will get all the elements till 9800. Similarly, if we say employees, starting position is 2, followed by a colon, and then we leave it blank, which means it will take the elements at index 2 and return you all the elements till the end. So we see that Lena is at index 2 and we have left the end index as blank. So it will return all the values from Lena till 35,500. Happy learning. Thank you.